this I am just doing I am just marking the point of 15 15 on both the sides. Same way on another side also. Now there are so many parallel lines, so that I don't need to take these projections and these angles, as I have so many parallel lines for the reference. Make it very lighter. Now, as you have just constructed the rectangle, now you need to join the bigger diagonal with a line, and this point of the rectangle you need to join to the midpoint of its front side. Make it very light. Now, intersection point of diagonal and the midsection of the point you need to use as radius and join it with a arc. On the same side, like this. On the another side also. Taking this diagonal as radius and joining by this arc. Now, bigger diagonal by like this. Now, as the cylinder is lifted 15 mm in the height, so you need to draw a 15 mm heighted rectangle one more time. And you need to repeat the same procedure for all the side. I hope you have understand that how I am drawing these projections. I will explain you one more time while I am joining these lines. First you need to join the bigger diagonal, then you need to join the midpoint from the opposite point of the center. Again mark midpoint on this heighted rectangle. on the both sides you need to mark the midpoints so that you can draw it properly. Again I have joined the bigger diagonal and this opposite side point with another two midpoints. Now again taking opposite side of bigger diagonal as radius and drawing a circle. Same way on another side. By taking these two meeting points, I am drawing the arcs on both sides. Repeat the same procedure. Now I am making these lines darker for you. Now join these two cylinders. Our final output cylinder would be black. As I am explaining you, I am using the sketch pen. You need to erase another sides. Now for making it clear, I am joining these lines. You should give proper dimensions also. You must have studied the dimension style methods, align method and unidirectional method. So in this you should apply align method system so that you can give the proper dimensionings to the all the sides. I'll show you how to give the dimensions also. Again I am repeating that for making a cylinder you need to draw a cylinder surface equal to the diameter. Join the bigger diagonals with each other, opposite corner with two in front midpoints. Take suitable arcs and join the cylinder and you will get proper cylinder. Now as you can see that our isometric drawing is ready. We just need to give the proper dimensions to the same. As I told you earlier, I'm using align method system. Give all the dimensions very properly and the dimension should be in the same direction to the another dimension, so that it will look good while seeing. Don't forget to highlight the arrows, as it is also having some importance. This height is again 20 mm. Its height is diameter 30. So that's it. We have completed our isometric drawing. Now we will proceed with the another problem. In this problem is all about the cycloid. You need to draw a cycloid for 50 mm diameter circle. So first what we are going to do is we are going to draw a circle of 25 mm radius. .25 mm radius circle. We are going to divide this circle in 12 equal parts. Each circle consisting of 360 degree. So 12 equal part means each part of 30 degree. Mark the lines very lightly. As it may get very complicated if you make very dark lines. We have divided the circle in the 12 equal parts. Now we are going to draw a line over here of the length pi into d. I am going to draw a line of 156 mm from this distance. that line should be perpendicular to the center line. Cycloid is a curve, and cycloid is the curve for the when we are rolling some circular object and it is completing one revolution, and by tracing that path what we are achieving is called cycloid. Now I have drawn the line of pi d, length of pi d. I have drawn the line of pi d. Now I need to divide this line into 12 equal parts, as I have divided the circle in the 12 equal parts. So I need to divide this line on 12 equal parts. So 156 is very odd distance, so it would be very inconvenient to divide this line. So I am using this division method of line. In this you can draw any line at any angle, but you should know that what is the length of this line, as we are going to divide this line in 12 equal parts. So I have drawn this line of 60 mm. So each division will be of 5 mm. I divided this line in 12 equal parts. Now open end should be joined to the division line. Draw parallel lines to the same and you will get automatically equal part.